Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down everyday essentials so you can buy smarter. Today, we're reviewing what we believe is the best laundry washboard for hand washing clothes. The LLpotata washboard in a light blue. Let's get right into it. First off, the build quality on this washboard is impressive for a household item. It's made from high-quality, tough plastic, so it's lightweight, durable, and built to withstand repeated use without losing its shape. That high toughness also adds to its wear resistance, making it a long-term addition to your laundry routine. One feature that instantly stands out is the integrated soap rack. It's a small but smart addition that brings convenience and efficiency right into your hand washing. You don't need to look for a separate place to store your soap mid-wash. Just place it in the built-in holder and keep scrubbing. The board has a wavy kneading surface designed for effective scrubbing while being gentle on your hands. It ensures friction without abrasion, meaning you can clean your clothes thoroughly without roughing up your skin. That's especially important if you're washing delicate items or doing laundry frequently. Now let's talk about portability. This board is compact and cleverly designed to be hung on the wall or easily stored in small spaces. Measuring around 17.7 inches in height, 8 inches in width, and just 1 inch in depth, it's easy to move, store, and carry, even when you're traveling or camping. You won't need to sacrifice a lot of storage space to keep it around. As for its practical use, it's ideal for smaller laundry loads. That includes socks, underwear, baby clothes, or small t-shirts. Basically, any items you'd prefer not to throw into a machine. It saves water, uses zero electricity, and allows you to control how each item is washed. So whether you're doing a quick refresh or dealing with sensitive fabrics, this board gets the job done without any hassle. The LLpotata washboard also brings something valuable to households where hand washing is still a go-to method. For those with limited access to washing machines, or for people who prefer a sustainable approach to laundry, this product is a cost-effective, energy-saving solution. We also want to highlight its versatility. Not only is it a great backup option for emergency washing situations like power outages or broken machines, but it's also perfect for folks living in dorms, small apartments, or RVs where space and utilities are limited. To wrap things up, the LLpotata washboard hits all the right notes: durability, portability, thoughtful design, and ease of use. It's a minimal investment that adds a lot of value to your household. And that's why we're calling it the best laundry washboard on the market today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more practical product reviews just like this one. See you next time.